What's up, you guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another cleaning motivational video. Today I'm going to be cleaning my son's bedroom. As y'all can see, this bedroom is in need of some serious cleaning. My kids love coming into this bedroom and just playing in here. They play video games on the weekends in this room. And as y'all can see, they had cereal in here, even though they're not supposed to. I had them clean up the room, like, just because there was a lot more cereal, like, just all over this place. Even though they cleaned it up, I'm gonna go back over and then clean up, because there are some places that they didn't get to clean. I do get my kids involved in the cleaning once in a while, but I rarely tell them to clean up as much as I should. So the computer area, I noticed that it was pretty dusty, so I decided to dust it off with this Snuggles dryer sheets. I've seen some people here on TikTok use the dryer sheets to clean up like the dust. They were saying that if you use the dryer sheet, there will be less dust next time, so I'm gonna give it a try and use that. And plus, it smells good. So y'all, this bedroom gets really cold during the winter time. I don't let my son sleep in here. He shares a bedroom with his two other brothers just for now. On the days that it is warmer, I let him sleep in here. Even though we have the heater running, this room it's always cold. I don't know what to do about it. Y'all, I don't even know how this little area gets dirty all the time. Like, it's always this little area next to his bed that's always dirty. Luckily, it is easy to clean up these walls. The paint is, I think, like it's a matte color or something like that, but it's really easy to clean whenever it gets stained. Since I was already cleaning up the walls, I just decided to go ahead and clean the ones near the doorway. And I decided to hand mop the floors. Like, mopping with like a mop and hand mopping is two different things for me. Whenever I hand mop, I feel like the floor is a lot more cleaner. Even though he does not sleep in his room, I like to just, fix his bed and stuff and just make it look like somebody's at least sleeping here for now. And this is how the room turned out, all clean and tidy. I know this is not gonna last, but that's the thing about having kids. Alhamdulillah for them. And I hope that my video motivated you. If it did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye. He's a big Naruto fan.